Hey guys, working on a 2014 all the way to 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage and also the Mitsubishi Mirage G4. In today's video, we're changing the cabin air filter. It's so easy. Let's get into it right away. Here's the part number in case you're trying to order one. Very, very simple. Okay guys, so the first thing you gotta do is you got to open your glove box like this. And you're going to need two hands for this. But with one hand, you're going to push this in. And with the other hand, you're going to push this in at the same time. See, there's like little clips here. So you just got to pull it over. See, but you have to do it at the same time, which I'm having a, oh, there we go, hard time because I'm holding the camera, but I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna need both my hands. Hang on. Oh, okay, it was so easy, but you do need two hands for this. Okay, so now in here, look. There it is. So look, just like that. See, there is this part. So, there's two little clips there, see? Not on that side, but on this side. What you gotta do here, I'll show you like this. You gotta press this. Like this, and as you're pressing it, go back here and push on it. See, like this, look. See? Then this opens up. See? See, these go in like that so you don't break them. See, look. See, like that. And they come out. Okay, so there's your cabin air filter. So you basically just grab it. See, like this. And there it is. There's your old cabin air filter. Stay tuned still because there's a specific way to put these in. Okay, so here's the new one. So you'll notice there's writing on it. See? And the writing says up, front, or rear. So basically up. So it's either front or rear. So these little lines, see, they go this way. It's pretty straightforward, right? I mean, pretty straightforward if you ask me. So now you just go like this, slide this in like a CD into a CD player, just like that. Grab your little cover, put these two little things in like this, nothing to it, and click this back in. Sorry, it's hard to get the camera in here like this, watch. And guess what? You are done, and this just goes like this. Sorry for not giving you the best camera work here. I got tons of videos on this car, guys. Throw me a subscription.